Hello all, as promised I created a new video in which I will share my JavaScript solution for the LeetCode Challenge 1065, index pair of strings. This problem is solved efficiently by using a trie data structure. If you don't know what a trie is and how it works, I suggest you check my video on tries in which I explain how it works and I share the solution for the LeetCode Challenge implementing a trie or a prefix tree. It is nothing too complicated and you can watch it in speed mode if you like. Now let's check the requirements for this challenge. We are given a large string and a list of words. We are asked to check if any of the given words exist inside the string, and if they do, we need to store their position in a solutions array. I mentioned that we will use the trie data structure for the solution. In my previous video that you can find in the description below, I already implemented that and also explained it. I'll just reuse the code and paste it in here. The trie implementation has two methods: insert, that we will be using to populate the trie with the words, and the search method. So let's do the first step, adding the words inside the trie, as it is the easy part. Okay, now let's look at what the search method does and think of how we can modify it to achieve the requirements. The search method receives a word as input and returns true or false if it exists inside the trie. It checks each letter inside the word if it exists in the corresponding level inside the trie. If it is not found, it will return false. If the last letter in the word is not marked as the last letter inside the trie, it will also return false. Now, let's imagine we can split our large text into all the possible words. We could do that by picking a starting index and an end index. So if index start is 0 and index end is 1, we would check if the resulting substring is inside our trie. The answer would be no, so we will increment our ending index. We would do the same process for the index start equal to 1, and so on until we checked all the possible substrings. Every time we find a valid substring, we save its index start and index end into an array of results. Now let's implement what we've just discussed. We will comment out the search method as we don't need it, but we will keep it as reference. We will start by creating an empty array called res, where we will store our index pairs and we will return it at the end. We will create a for loop that assigns every possible value for the starting index. We will have an end index initially equal to the starting index. We will check if the letter at the end index exists inside the trie. If it does, we move to the next one by incrementing the end index. If we find a letter that is marked as the end of the word inside the trie, we push the index pair to the results array. If it does not, we break the loop and we repeat the process for the next starting index. And now we can return the results of the class method in our predefined method. And also let's check if it works. As you can see, it does. So this was my solution. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments what is your feedback, how can I improve my videos, and if you would like to see more content like this where I share my LeetCode solutions in JavaScript. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can see my next video. Until the next time, bye!